This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Country living. 3 beds, 2 full baths. PBR-ensuite has a massive bathroom west/curb-less large shower, dual vanities, large soaking jetted tub. Great lighting due to several skylights through the home. Large laundry room with exterior door leading to backyard. Tall ceilings throughout. Eat-in kitchen west/bar overlooking family room. Formal living/dining rooms. 3.93 acres west/4 paddocks great for horses, goats, ect. 1 paddock has a small barn currently home to goats/sheep. Very accessible to amenities of downtown Suffolk. Easy access to highways. New flooring throughout. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathy Worthen at 757-488-4600.